is Ron, and we're going to explore using initial student questionnaires to advance engagement and learning. This is a summary video. I have a longer 18-minute video that's also available. So skipping over the disclaimer, what are initial student questionnaires? So basically 4 to 5 page Microsoft Word documents that students can easily complete in about 10 minutes, maybe 15. All right, gathering a lot of information regarding obviously their first name or nickname, so you can call them by that, majors, minors, certificates that they're taking, expected graduation date, cumulative GPA, also where do they want to sit in this class, some characteristics about them in terms of anxiety that they might have, introversion, extroversion, allows you to match teams, internships that they have either done or will likely do. Are they comfortable with the career path that they're on, activities, clubs, and organizations that they're involved in, and what might make them late or absent from class, anything coming up, anything preventing them from getting adequate sleep, anything that interferes with their participation in class discussions or impairs their ability to complete the work in class, or anything else they want to let us know. All right. Why do we do this? That's probably the most important question. One is showing that you care. The more you learn about somebody else, the more they like you, and not just like you, but they trust you and more willing to share things with you, especially when they're troubled about something. Uh, Also, it's kind of nice to get their phone number as part of this questionnaire, because you can use that for text messages like, I saw you were not in class today. Is everything okay? Especially, they're going to freak out. Of course, you say, from Professor Bear or whatever. And primarily the reason I started this was to build better teams. I realized that if I match teams with different personalities, like extroverts and introverts, and high GPA and low GPA, to kind of make them fair, that'd be better. But you can use this a lot of different ways to match teams. Identifying students with presentation anxiety. So if somebody's got a severe presentation anxiety, you can go up to them maybe while teams are working on something and say, would you be able to answer this question if I call upon you? Kind of help them out and keep better track of students in the department. In some departments, we need to do that for professional certification purposes or other reasons, or just making sure people are on the path to get good jobs and internships. And very important, especially in this time where we have a lot of online classes, reaching out and having Zoom one-on-one meetings with clients, and having that information really helps you to have a better conversation with your students and encourage them to get out of their comfort zone and do things, get involved in campus and other things like that. So with that, I will stop right there, but if you want to learn more, watch the longer video and certainly look at the form. Thank you.